today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the default view in Microsoft Excel. This process is really simple, and by the end of this video, you'll be able to set your preferred view when opening new sheets. So let's jump right in and get started. First, we're going to locate the File tab, which you'll find conveniently situated in the upper left corner of your screen. Once you click on that, a menu will open, and you'll want to scroll all the way down until you see Options at the very bottom. Go ahead and click on Options, and this will bring up the Excel Options window for us. Now that we're in the Excel Options window, you'll notice lots of different sections and settings, but the one we're interested in is on the right-hand side under the section labeled When Creating New Workbooks. This is the area where all the default settings for new sheets are controlled. Here you'll spot a setting that says Default View for New Sheets. Next to it is a drop-down menu that's going to be pivotal for today's task. By default, Excel is set to use Normal View, which is just fine for general spreadsheet use. However, if you find yourself frequently using Page Layout View or Page Break Preview, you might prefer to set one of those as your default view instead. All you need to do is click on the drop-down menu and select your preferred view. This allows you to customize your initial viewing experience every time you open a new workbook in Excel. Once you've made your choice, simply click OK to confirm and apply your changes. This will ensure that from now on, whenever you create a new Excel sheet, it will open in the view you selected. If you're unsure which view suits your workflow best, feel free to experiment with the different options. You can test them out, see how they look and feel, and then come back to this menu to save the one that suits you best by hitting OK again. And that's it. You've now successfully learned how to set the default sheet view for all new workbooks in Excel. Wasn't that simple? Thanks so much for tuning in to this tutorial. If you found these instructions helpful, don't forget to give us a like, leave a comment, or subscribe for more Excel tips and tricks. We're always here to improve your digital experience. Until next time, keep exploring and enhancing your Excel skills. See you in the next tutorial.